Good afternoon and welcome to the channel and a part 3 of our travel vlog from Newcastle, UK to Pattaya, Thailand. We are currently in Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, about to get into the father-in-law's car and drive down to Pattaya, which is about an hour and a half from here. So there'll be some TerryTracker trademark time warps maybe, and some cutscenes and some music. Enjoy! So if you're in this house here, how do you get out? Push the other one out of the way. In Thailand, they leave the cars with the handbrakes off, so you can literally push them out of the way. Welcome to driving in Pattaya. So there you have it. That was our little drive from Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport to Pattaya. We're at the father-in-law's now. See you all in the next one. Sorry this was just a short one, but I'm so tired. Now it's time to do your job. And it's time for us to get some food.